What's up, guys? It is Bernardo from the BTN HD, and yes, Dell did it again this year at CES 2018. They released a very powerful 13-inch laptop in its class. Now, the XPS 13 delivers more performance with the 8th generation Intel quad-core i7 processor. Now, this processor is the 8550U with a clock speed of 4.0 gigahertz. Now, one of the cool things about the XPS 13 is this. It comes with Ubuntu 16.0. Now, you could get it configured with the Linux operating system, or you could get Windows 10 Home or Windows 10 Pro with 64-bit. It does seem that the max capacity of memory is going to be 16 gigs of dual channel SD RAM, and it's going to be on board. For graphics, you're going to get the Intel Ultra HD Graphics 620. Now, the display is a beautiful 13.3 inch ultra sharp 4K Ultra HD display with a resolution of 3840 by 2160. Now, this display is considered as InfinityEdge touch display. Now, if you can't get the 4K display, you can always get the 13.3 Full HD with a resolution of 1920 by 1080. Now, the max capacity of storage for this particular device, you could get it up to 1 terabyte PCIe solid state drive. Now, the primary construction of the XPS 13 is made out of CNC machine aluminum in platinum silver with carbon fiber composite palm rest in black. You can also get it with a CNC machine aluminum in rose gold with Alpine white woven glass fiber palm rest. Also, the XPS 13 is the first laptop built with Gore thermal insulation, which directs the heat out of the device, lowering the temperature of the XPS and enabling greater performance. Now, for ports, it comes with 2 Thunderbolt 3, as well as a 3.1 USB-C port. And also, you're going to get the micro SD card reader. Now, one thing about this laptop, it is going to come with a combo jack, which allows you to hook up a headphone or a mic set. Now, the start weight for this XPS 13 is going to be the 2.67 pounds, and that's for the non-touch. And for the touch display one, is going to be around 2.68 pounds. And that's it, guys, for my hands-on review on the XPS 13, the latest small laptop from the Dell lineup. If you got any questions, leave it at the bottom of the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.